Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about database. Now, configuring database is one of the important key items, and we're going to use the MySQL for this example. We are going to install MySQL, work with MySQL with Oracle WebLogic, and we're going to see how things are going to work out. So, in terms of WebLogic configuration towards your database, is like you have 3 steps over here. One is the provider configuration, wherein which it gives some details about your MySQL, like your client drivers, so that WebLogic knows how to connect with MySQL, how a MySQL query works, and how the communication between MySQL and the WebLogic should work. All those will be part of the client definitions. So that is basically the class files which needs to be loaded, or the client drivers which needs to be loaded as part of WebLogic. The next one is the data source. Data source here helps WebLogic to identify the MySQL. This includes the MySQL server name, server IP address or the host name, which port number MySQL works on, what's the database name, what's the username and password, so that WebLogic can securely connect with MySQL with a username and password. The next is connection pool. Connection pool is like a property of your data source, which means that the basic pool in which the connections will be, going and connecting with your MySQL. Now, connection pool is where you're going to define the maximum number of connections to be, connected with MySQL. This will also be, we will be talking about what is the initial connections or the minimum connections of connection which needs to go and connect with MySQL, as well as some of the other parameters which we will also discuss about when we do the hands-on class. But this is the whole idea behind MySQL, and these are the 3 things which we are going to configure directly or indirectly to achieve the communication to MySQL. For this, we will be installing MySQL on the WLS host 1, and we will be starting the MySQL, and then we will be configuring permissions on the MySQL, and then we will be using the admin console to configure all these parameters and connect successfully to MySQL service. Thank you again for your patience and time. I will see you on the next video.